No.
It's a mind over matter thing.
Come on, Anthony, you can do it, bud. You thought about it too long right there. That's where the mistake is.
He had that momentum going.
Yeah, he did. It was just going. You want me to give you a hand?
It's going to be...
Go ahead. I'll help you push it. Go ahead. I'll walk on this side. Let's go.
You can't walk on the side.
Why?
How are you going to do that?
Here.
One on the front, one on the back. Keep her from...
Yeah, you're better off to get...
Keep going.
I'll push from the rear, Rob. That thing started right up though after I laid her down.
Yeah.
I was surprised about that. You could have rode it over if you wanted to.
Oh, don't make me laugh. I'm going to fall in.
Thank you.
Hey, let me think about it now.
10 years ago you would have going over?
Yeah, I'm going to go over. When I say go over, I mean go over. Just make sure that if I do go over, get this bike off me as fast as you can.
Well, I hope you don't go in the water. That ain't where our plan is to save you.
I thought about too long, so. Yeah, that was a little scary. I had second thoughts there.